This video focuses on one of the measures of central tendency, which is the mode of ungrouped data. What is mode? It is the score, the value, or the item, or the observation with the highest frequency in the data set. That is the score which occurs most often. Mode is denoted by this symbol, which is read as X hat. Let's take example number 1. Find the mode of the set of data 15, 8, 32, 8, 40, 22, 25, 12. So let's find the score with the highest frequency. 15 is only 1, 8 is 1, 2, 32 only 1, 40 only 1, 22 only 1, 25 only 1, 12 appears once. Therefore, the score with the highest frequency is, by inspection, that is 8. It is a unimodal because there's only one mode. Example 2. Sebastian recorded his 15 quiz scores in social studies. Find the modal score. By comparing the frequency of each score, start with 10. 10, there are 1, 2, 3. Then 9, there is only 1. 20, there is only 1. 32, 1, 2, 3. Then 13 ones, 4 ones, 21 twice, 10, that's counted already, 18 ones, 26 ones, 19 ones. So therefore the modal score or the mode are 10 and 32. This is what we call the bimodal because there are two modes. Next example, number 3. The following are the ages of students in a culinary class. Find the modal age or the mode. Let's start by inspection. 18, there are 2. 20, there are 2. 25, there are 2. 29, there are 2. 42, there are 2. 38 appeared twice. 33 twice. 30 twice. So all of the scores have the same number of frequencies. Therefore, there is no mode. Next example, number 4. The frequency table shows the number of cars owned by 17 families. Find the mode or the modal number of cars. So in 0 number of cars, there are 3 families. 1 car, there are 4 families. 2 cars, there are 6. 3, there are 2 families. And 5, there are 2. So by inspection, the highest frequency is 6. Therefore, the mode or the modal number of cars is 2. Another example. Example 5. 40 teenagers were asked what book genre they usually read. The results are shown at the discrete frequency table below. Find the mode. So what's the mode book genre? So by inspection, under the frequency column, the highest frequency is 12. Therefore, the mode or the modal book genre is mystery. Okay, that's it. Video tutorial about finding the median of ungrouped data is available in this channel. Bye.